We're in the Chromium version of the Microsoft Edge web browser, and let's take a look and see how we can add and manage our favorites. So if we want to make google.com a favorite, we only need to just click on this little star, and the favorite is going to be added into our favorites bar. So we'll just click done, and now it's there. However, we may want to manage these favorites because it may not have put it exactly where we want it. So if we click to the star on the right, then we can click on Manage Favorites, and it opens up a brand new tab. Now this is different already from the old Microsoft Edge because it would open up a menu instead of a tab. So we can see that Google is now in our favorites bar. But let's say we want to add a new folder. So we'll click on Add Folder. I'm going to call it Business because we may want to add some business types of websites there. And we can see there is Business. So if I want to move any of these favorites into this new folder, I simply left click and drag it into the business folder. And now when I click on business, we see Google is inside it. So I can add as many different folders and favorites as I want, and I can now manage where those go. Let's open a new tab. And let's take LinkedIn, for instance. So we click on LinkedIn. So now we're in our LinkedIn page and we want to make it a favorite. So we can click on the star and we see LinkedIn, our sign up page. If we click on more, we get this little file explorer look here. And what I can do is I can add another folder. So I'm going to click on folder here and we'll call it jobs. There we go. Now I want to save this LinkedIn website into jobs. Click save. And now I have a business folder and I have a jobs folder. So we have the Manage Favorites tab, which takes us to a whole new tab, or we have the Manage Favorites sort of little folder that opens up when we decide to do things that way by clicking on the star and clicking on more. Now the edit favorites in this littler box does not give you quite as many options. For instance, you can't move folders around like you can on the new tab, and there's some other options as well, cut, copy, and paste, things like that. But you have both options, and you can add your favorites to your list and then go return to them whenever you need them.